Welcome to home gardening. Today we will make simple, healthy zucchini pineapple. Today we are making double portion, so we will need about 4 kilograms of washed, peeled, and seeded zucchinis. So here are our washed, peeled, and seeded zucchinis. We will now cut them into 1 centimeter cubes and add them in the pot along with the rest of the ingredients. Zucchinis are diced, and in this pot we will add 2 teaspoons of citric acid, 400 grams of sugar, 1 can of unsweetened pineapple juice, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Mix well, and then we will bring it to a boil and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we will sterilize the jar. We will sterilize the jars in a steam canner, but you can also use the oven.
Wait until it boils.
So now we will sterilize the funnel, the ladle, and the lids. We'll just pour hot water over them. Boiling water. Boiling water. Keep for 10 minutes. So now the zucchinis finished boiling, and now we are ready to can them. We have our vinegar and paper towel ready to sterilize the necks of the jars. And now we sterilize lids and the ladle and the funnel. Now we'll begin to fill the jars.
Show them. When we get to the middle, about or a third, we'll just temper it down. The temper has been sterilized too, kept in boiling water. Initially, we add only the zucchinis without juice, and as we temper them down, the juice will be released, and we will just fill with the juice at the end. As you can see it here. All right. So we'll add a little bit more juice, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. Once we are done with that, we'll take a paper towel in vinegar and we'll just wipe out nicely the mouth. We'll take a clean lid and we'll screw the bend finger tight, and we'll put it back into our steam canner. Once all the jars are here ready, we'll just cover and let it process for 10 minutes. And that's it.
The jars have been processing for 10 minutes and have been resting off the heat for 5 minutes. Now we will take them out to cool down.
So we, out of 4 kilograms of pineapple, we ended up with 4 full jars of zucchini pineapple and 1/2 jar, but it's full with juice, which is completely fine. As they will cool down, some of them we already can see that they have been sealed. It popped. 1, 2, 3. We're waiting for 2 more pops to go. Once the jars will be sitting for 24 hours, they will cool down, then they will be ready to be moved to the basement or to the cool room where you will keep all your canned goods. Thank you very much. Enjoy.